Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the DeWalt TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack, the DWHT83550. We originally saw this launched at our annual open house event last year. If you haven't come to see us at our open house, what are you doing? We have plenty of sneak peeks into new products and demos you wouldn't want to miss. Let's get back to this construction jack and take a closer look at how it can help you on and off the job site. First things first, let's talk about the hands-free lifting feature. The TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack has a step-to-lift function. That means you can use your foot to easily lift heavy materials without even having to bend down. That makes it incredibly easy to get the job done with minimal effort. Whether you're lifting cabinets, windows, or drywall, the DeWalt TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack takes all the strain out of your work. It's perfect for anyone looking to lighten the load. Literally. With a heavy-duty lift capacity of up to 340 pounds, this jack can handle a wide range of materials. You can lift and move everything from tile, cladding, and furniture to HVAC units, framing, and even drywall. No matter the job, the TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack is up to the task. It's not just about lifting either. This tool is all about precision. The precision-controlled lowering tab lets you make fine-tuned adjustments while leveling, giving you full control over your load. Whether you're working with heavy framing or delicate materials, you can trust that everything stays exactly where you want it. Now, if you're working in tight spaces, the slim, tapered base is a total game changer. It allows you to get under applications quickly and easily. And comfort? The TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack has an ergonomically designed grip with overmolded handle and reinforced metal ribs for extra support. Whether you're using the step to lift or squeeze to lift operation, this jack is made to help you keep working comfortably even during strenuous tasks. And for easy setup, the no-load quick release button makes it simple to position the tool under your application. Just make sure you don't use it when there's a load on the lift plate. It's for setup only. The DeWalt TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack is perfect for all kinds of jobs, from framing and decking to demolition. It's also a great tool for those working in fencing installation, drywall, and even home appliances. It's your all-in-one solution for lifting, leveling, and supporting materials in a wide range of applications. If you're tired of wasting time and energy lifting materials the hard way, the DeWalt TOUGHSERIES Construction Jack is here to help. With its heavy-duty lift capacity, precision adjustments, and ergonomic design, it's the ultimate tool for anyone looking to work smarter, not harder. This construction jack is available for sale at Ohio Power Tool right now at $119. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on all the latest tools and tech in the construction world. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Let's keep building smarter. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel.